Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be unboxing Boxy charm for the month of March. I am a little behind, a little late I should say, but I did have Ipsy and I filmed my Ipsy for the month of March. But then I decided to open up a subscription for Boxy charm, so it did just get here because obviously I signed up for the subscription after the 1st. So it's finally here, so I'm super excited. So that's what we're going to be filming today. And if you do enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Those things are things that can help my channel grow, and I would appreciate that tremendously. So anyway, moving on to the Boxy charm box for the month of March. Let's go. Let's open it up, and it's called the Wander Beauty Wanderess Dusk to Dawn palette, and there's 3 shades. We have Tuscan Sunrise, Havana Nights, and City Lights. So it looks like 2 blushes and a highlighter. So cute. I love it. I love blush and I love highlighter, so this is a fun one. Alright, so let's open up the box. So here we go. Alright. I'm going to show you before I look. Okay. I'm so excited! Okay. So let's start with this. This is a lip gloss from Iconic London, and it is a lip plumping gloss in the shade Peekaboo. And this is what it looks like. Super cute, and let's see the shade. Feels nice, not too sticky. It smells like Vicks. Like Vicks Vapor Rub. That's what that smells like, kind of. Ooh, my lips are tingling already. That's a good sign. Okay, so next we have the Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Limited edition. It's a pretty big size. You know what stinks about this though? Do you not get like a card that says everything in this Boxy charm? I thought you did. And there is a seal on it. That's always good. Oh, look at it. It's like a little scooper. That's adorable. Oh my god. Oh, that smells so good. Look at it. It's pink. And it's literally like a balm. Like a lip balm almost. I don't know if you can see like the color. And then it comes with like a little scooper. Very cute. How to use: gently massage onto dry skin for eye makeup removal. Apply to closed eyes, rinse with warm water, or wipe off with a damp washcloth. So product number 3 is another skincare, which I absolutely love skincare just as much as I love makeup. On the little quiz I put like half and half. So for now anyway, like you can always go back and change that, but for right now I would definitely love skincare products. Okay, so this is the MURAD, I always have trouble saying that. The MURAD Hydration, yes, Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer for Eyes. Yes, awesome. You would think I'm like an old woman the way I act like when it comes to my eyes, but I really do have like a lot of fine lines, like, and like it's very dry under there, so not that being an old woman is bad or anything, but so it looks like this, very cute. decent size. Nice little lid. And it doesn't smell like anything, but I'm so excited. Let's see what it feels like. It feels very nice, very smooth. Like my skin feels really smooth after I put it on. It doesn't leave that like tackiness. Like I have two eye serums. One I got from Ipsy and one I bought myself, and they both leave like a tacky feeling, like that like sticky feeling, like almost like a primer. I don't like that, but this one doesn't feel like that, so that's good. Alright, so moving on to product number, one, two, three, four. Product number 4, and this is the Cosmic Sponge, and simply wet, squeeze, and bounce your way to streak-free makeup perfection. And I am always happy to get like any kind of brush or sponge or any type of makeup tool. Like I'm always excited to receive that. So let's feel it. And I love the pink, the hot pink. I am obsessed with my Real Techniques makeup sponge. I just like, that is my go-to. I do have a few others that like they pretty much just sit there. But I am going to try this out, and who knows, maybe it will take over. Maybe it will compare to my Real Techniques. We shall see. Alright, and moving on to the final product, and it is the biggest product in the box. Alright, and it is the Living in Color eyeshadow palette. And it says matte eyeshadows, shimmer eyeshadows, vegan free. Hank and Henry is who, this is made by Hank and Henry. Let's open it up and take a glance, shall we? I am the worst unboxer in the world. I can never get into anything. It looks so pretty, even though just the box is so... Oh my god! I love it. I love it. I love the outside. And that is the inside. And it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmers. And they are, the color scheme's pretty good. You got like a shimmery purple, you got like a shimmery maroon, you got your like turquoise shimmer, then you have like a royal blue, which I don't have any royal blue in my collection, matte shade, and then you got like your brown, a dark brown, a light brown, you got like your orange, orangey brown, and then you got like your orangey shimmer, and then you have like a, what is it, like a navy blue shimmer with like silver sparkles in it. So cute. It's a pretty thick palette though. You can see. That's the back, front. Super excited about this box, I must say. So let's just do a quick recap. Wander Dusk Till Dawn palette, the eyeshadow and highlighter palette. And that wasn't part of the box, but I did receive that for joining BoxyCharm. Okay, so now we got the Very Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm by Pharmacy. And it is a big size. Like, this is going to last me forever. So, very excited about that. Then we received our lip plumping gloss by Iconic London. Very cute. It's like tingling, so must be working. And then we received our Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer for your eyes. And that is what it looks like. Very excited about this. Always, always, always excited when it comes to some like moisturizers for my eyes. And then we received this little beauty sponge by Cosmic Sponge. I don't know, it doesn't say. Oh, Illuminati? Illuminati? Yeah. Okay, by Illuminati. And then last but not least, we received the Living in Color eyeshadow palette by Hank and Henry. So that wraps it up. Super excited. I am looking forward to see what BoxyCharm has in store. This is my first box from them, and I have high expectations. So I hope that they deliver. So yeah, so that was fun. I'm excited. I enjoyed every product. There's not one thing that I would have to say anything bad about. So super excited. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you have a great day and stay safe out there. It's been just complete chaos. And if you are hoarding toilet paper, stop. You do not need friggin' 20,000 rolls of toilet paper. Like, the stores aren't closing. They will remain open. So please share some toilet paper with the rest of us. I'm lucky that my family of 4 got a package the other day. Like, it was tough. It was like searching for gold. So just want to put that out there. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And have a great night. Bye.